Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm carrying on with the box openings and we have my watch from Watchgang for June. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Spinnaker Cahill Onyx. Man, I like this one from Spinnaker. They really do have some cool pieces. And if you're looking to save a little bit of money, make sure you check the notes below. I have promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, Ballast, and also use my link to sign up for Watchgang if you're interested in Watchgang. And if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Me and my brother are always trying to keep some old cars going down the road. So if you're not familiar with Watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. Now, in the last video, I told you I had received an email that they were raising their prices, which they have. Now, I only do the black tier level and been doing that for a while, so I'm grandfathered in at this point to maintain my subscription being at the $99 price point. Now, like I said, the prices have gone up. The original tier of Watchgang now is going to be $74.99. The black tier is going to be $149.99. And the platinum tier is going to be $399.99. Now, there are discounts if you do a 3-month subscription, 6-month subscription, or a full year subscription. So you can save a little bit of money by doing multiple months at a time. Now, I've never heard of this brand, Chronofix. It looks like there's the SKU number, CFX SM007, and it looks like they have a retail price on this one as $245. All right, let's take a look at what we've got here. Chronofix. Looks like I got 2 warranty cards for some reason. And let's take a look at what we got. Let me pull this one off the pillow real quick. Now let's get a little bit better look here. So it looks like we've got a little bit of a texture going on the dial. There's a lot going on the bezel itself. Let's see, stainless steel, Chronofix, 100-meter water resistance, Swiss movement, genuine leather. And it's funny because more and more I am actually liking leather straps or straps in general over bracelets. They just tend to make the watch itself feel a bit lighter. I'm not sure how I feel about this one just yet. I kind of like it. You know, I'm not sure how I feel about the GMT aspects of it. Now, I've said that in the past. Because the GMT just adds a little bit of busyness to watches, and it's a function or a complication that I don't normally use myself. So I've been moving more towards a simple, clean watch designs with a little bit less busyness going on. That being said, I think overall it's a nice looking piece. We have a little bit bumped up crystal, which is nice. And I'm not sure if this one is sapphire or mineral just yet. Obviously, I'll have to do a little bit of research on it. Like I said, the Chronofix is not a brand I'm that familiar with at this point. So overall, not too bad. Now, mind you, this, like I said, this one was my $99 Watchgang Black subscription, but that's because I'm grandfathered in. So if you were joining up right now, you would be joining up at the $149.99 amount. Now, how much do you guys like this watch at that price point? You saw the estimated or the retail value on this one was $240, $245. Now, I'm digging this one. I don't think it's one that I would turn around and sell right away. It might be after some time goes on if I decide it's a little bit too busy for me, but so far I'm actually kind of liking the look. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.